Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to change Canon LBP 2900B printer, Teflon sheet and pressure roller. Okay, first open this backside two screws. Open this. Okay. And open this side cover. First remove cartridge from printer. Okay. Open this side cover. In this side cover is three locks, one top, one bottom, one side. Okay, open it. Side cover is open. Open opposite side cover also. Okay, open this is bottom lock. Okay, cover is open. This is PCB board. Open these two screws. This one. Okay, release this lock. Okay, remove printer dust by using air blower. You see lot of dust in printer. I am blowing air blower using air blower. Okay, okay, remove these connectors from PCB board carefully. Cable is sensitive, be careful to this step. Okay, remove this connector also. This connector is earthing connector. This is okay. Open fixing assembly screws. In this printer, fixing assembly screws is 3 screw. This is one screw. I am opening. This is second screw. This is last third screw. Okay, open this black cover. In this black cover, two screws are fixed. Remove both screws. Okay, This is Teflon sheet, is called fuser slave also. Release this spring or remove. Okay, two locks are there. This is second lock. Okay, okay, you see in fixing assembly pressure roller is not good condition, need to replace compulsory. Okay, first remove this Teflon sheet. Okay, and greasing in fixing unit, paste grease on fixing unit, laser fixing unit. Okay, this is new Teflon sheet. You see black line there, insert Teflon this side. Okay, don't press, rotate and slowly insert. Okay, okay, this is another lock. Okay, this is new one PCR pressure roller install. Okay, and insert fixing assembly also, Teflon sheet fuser slave. Okay, okay, connect this spring in this lock. Okay, refix this cover also. Fix two screw. These two screws different. Screw color is black and with visor. Okay. Install fixing assembly and printer. First you proper tag this cable in fixing assembly. Okay. Install fixing assembly in printer. Be careful. Okay. Fit fixing assembly screw. To fit this screw, screwdriver magnet is need strong because this screw is inside. Okay, connect these connectors. There is a 4 connectors. These connectors is sensor connectors. Okay, okay, fix this cover. In this cover, 2 screws and 1 cartridge lock. This is cartridge lock. When you close this door, cartridge is lock. Insert cartridge. Okay, take a test print from PC. You see, print is good. Okay, fix this back cover and both side covers. Okay, cover is fixed, and fix other side cover. Okay, please like this video and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new latest videos and updates. Okay, fit this screw. Printer is ready to use. Once again we'll take a test print after fitting complete. Okay, take a test print from PC. Okay, okay, print is good. Thank you for watching me.